It's a day a lot of people have been waiting for. A chance for snow in the forecast, and a good bet that all of us will see at least a little bit of snow, some a lot more than others. The storm system we are tracking is in the nation's midsection right now. This is headed towards the Ohio Valley, bringing snow to places like Chicago and Indianapolis right now. Eventually, that storm is going to give way to a secondary storm along the coast. This is the key, though, because it may help to pull a little bit milder air into our area tomorrow, especially aloft, while the colder air gets trapped at the surface, and that's going to lead to a wintry mix over the entire area. We've got the clouds rolling in right now, a little swath of snow out to the west. That may come through during the wee hours of the morning before the main snow arrives right around daybreak. Winter storm warning in effect for Metro Richmond up to parts of the northern neck, at least away from the water, and then all areas pretty much west of I-95. Farther south and east from the Tri-Cities to Emporia, it's a winter weather advisory. We're not expecting quite as much snow and sleet there. So it's dry and cold this evening. The snow approaches late tonight. It'll be snowing right around daybreak, and it could come down at a pretty good clip mid-morning. Into midday, we'll see a transition to sleet and freezing rain. First across Southside Virginia, then it moves up into the metro midday and areas north during the afternoon. We could eventually go to all rain and wash some of that snow away, all in a period of just a few hours. 34 degrees outside right now. It is dry. Dew point is at 13, and that's why some of the initial snow that comes in may just fade out a bit, and the real snow won't get going until around daybreak. Temperatures overnight, mid and upper 20s, and highs tomorrow only in the 30s. We'll stay in the lower 30s a good chunk of the day and then head into the mid and upper 30s later in the afternoon. So here's how things play out. Little band of snow tries to come through during the wee hours of the morning. This is close to daybreak when the main snow line comes in here, and it's snowing pretty good right through the morning hours, right along and north of I-64 and farther west. That band will be a little bit farther south. This is the area of mix from Lynchburg to Farmville and the Tri-Cities by midday. Then the rain line really takes over, even making it potentially into Louisa up towards the Fredericksburg area later in the afternoon. So the accumulation forecast right now is definitely a tough call just because of when this precipitation mixes. It's going to determine how much you actually get. Heading into Monday, the secondary storm takes over out to our east, and that may spin a little more moisture back in here. Maybe a few snow showers or even rain showers in some places Monday afternoon. So here's what to expect. The changeover takes place early in the morning here across Southside Virginia, so you don't see much snow accumulation at all. Goes over to rain. Middle area here, anywhere from an inch or two, I think, in Chesterfield County down towards the Tri-Cities. Western Chesterfield up through the city, points west, 3-4 inches a possibility here. And then you get into higher totals off to the west. You get up into Louisa, Fredericksburg, could see up to a half a foot of snow. And the best bet for 6 or more inches here out just west of Charlottesville, and then getting up maybe into Culpeper, parts of northern Virginia, and the higher elevations out to the west. There's a threat of some ice with that warmer air coming in aloft, particularly to the south and especially the west, going along 460. So here's how things go. Overnight tonight, the clouds thicken. A few flakes by daybreak. Will be in the 20s. Through the day tomorrow, winter weather in the morning, changing over to a little bit of rain in the afternoon, and our temperatures stay in the 30s tomorrow. Monday, the main storm takes off the coast, that is. A few lingering rain and snow showers, but it stays chilly into the midweek period. And then look at the end of the week. It warms up. We may see a little rain and temperatures near 60 by Friday.